Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to delete all your spam emails in your Gmail. Sometimes you find like you have thousands of them and they are making your mailbox to be very full. So remember, Gmail gives you something like free 15 gigs. So when they finish, then you have to buy. You might find like you have a lot of spam emails which goes to thousands of them, and you want to clear that up so that you have more space. So this is not something to play with, because those emails, they are useless to you. So you can go to Google and then you go to Gmail. Okay, when you're here, you click on your spam emails. Then there are two things we have to know or understand. You might also do what? Find one of the emails which comes as spam and declare it to be non-spam, so that whenever this email comes, you'll never go to your spam. So you can see this TikTok, share TikTok for, okay, leave that alone. WordPress, Google Boy, some plugins, automate. Okay, you see this is from my WordPress website. It comes from this. I should click on this to make it not spam. Block this. You can block one of the emails not to come to you because they are coming to you, don't like them anyway. Block, so whenever they don't even come anyway. Once you block them, they will never come to your mailbox or your spam box, whatever. So there are a couple of things you have to do. You can report phishing if you want to, show original, translate message, whatever, download message, and delete message, also filter message, reply. There should be something like a way to show you before we start deleting, because you might have some options on some emails. Let me find the same email here. Okay, it should show me. Let me click there. Once I click there, let me see here. As unread. Okay, mark as important. So once you mark this as important, so it gonna move away, I think, from that. Let me see. Let me go back to emails. It didn't come. Let's go back to spam. We're going to delete, but I want to show you some tricks which can help you to make some emails non-spam. Filter emails like this. Okay, let me filter. Okay, where do you want to filter this? From size, done like this, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. Okay, let me go there back. Okay, I wanna add a star. Let me see something here. Unread, markers unread. Okay, we're gonna mark as at unread. Then we remove a star. Mark as important, so we can mark as important, but it should go in conversion. Okay, marked as important. So let's see. Okay, let me click on the email itself. The settings should be here. Delete this message, print, block, report spam, report phishing, show origin. Okay, translate message, download, and mark as unread. Okay, we can read that. There is something to create event, remove star. Okay, add task. Let me see here. No, you don't need that. Okay, we marked it as important. Let's see something, or it creates a copy somewhere. No, it doesn't do that, but anyway, let's do this simple way to take you out of this. The Coinbase, no, what are they saying? Leave that. Come, it hurts because I wanted to show you that. Okay, this is the link to delete everything here, so you can delete all the spam emails here. You can say delete, so it simply means confirm deleting messages. Actions will be taken, so all of the spam you have here, they're gonna be deleted. There can be thousands, there can be millions of them. They're gonna be deleted because, let me see, on you saw no spam here, so I did that. I deleted everything, so when we refresh we shouldn't see any spam emails. Okay, you see, we still see them here, but they are not here in the box. I want to refresh and see. Refresh, press F5. Okay, let's get that right. Okay, you can see in spam we don't have nothing, so instead of selecting 10, 11, 12, whatever, so you only have to click one button, then you're out of that problem. You can see it's gone, so you never have. Okay, they're gonna come back, but so now when you delete them, they go to your trash. So we're gonna go also in trash and we delete them. Maybe they are in trash now. I'm looking for trash here. Get that right. Forum AIX. Okay, deleted items is trash. Okay, there's no deleted items. Oh, simply means when we deleted those spam emails, they automatically went like skipped this deleted items. So in case, for instance, our thinking, if you like, if I can come and delete this Coinbase and also I delete, maybe, let me see, Binance also. I delete that. Once I delete those two, then I go to, if I go to your, what they call deleted items, they should be there. Something's happening. Let me try to wonder why. Because all I know is when you delete something, it goes, unless if the settings were changed, it goes straight to your for instance, let me do this. I want to delete this in the primary emails, then I go here. Once I delete that, I'm gonna go to deleted items. It should be there, no conversations label. So it simply means mark as read. Okay, so it simply means the settings were changed, that whatever I delete, it skips this folder, the deleted items. Oh, let me try to see more. Okay, yeah, no, here's the bin. I'm sorry guys. So what happened is the emails I did import what that deleted items is not the one. So this is the bin. So this bin has 200 and something. So what I'm gonna do also, I'm gonna double click there, and you see, remove star, delete, select all. Okay, I'm selecting the clear selection. Okay, now empty bin now. So I'm gonna empty the whole bin. You remember the Binance one we deleted? Okay, now also we've deleted those items we did delete from spam, and then we deleted them from what the bin. So the bin, we make sure that there is nothing in the bin, which is we call our trash or deleted items folder. But the deleted items folder is the one which are created, I think, I don't know when did I create it, but Google's one also should look like bin. Okay guys, that's the way you delete all your spam emails at once, instead of selecting 1 or 10, you get me? So it has the option, Gmail has the option to delete all of them by using just one button. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Please, you can request any tutorial you want us to do for you, then we'll do it if we can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.